Hello friends, I am Ram Prasad Rishi, trainer and motivational speaker. Today we will learn and understand another important life skill. Friends, what we believe, what we know and what we think has no value. The one thing which is extremely important is what we do with what we know. A physician might be highly qualified, but he gets the name and fame only when he practices with what he knows. This world recognizes, appreciates, and rewards only for what you do, not for what you know or what you have. The one quality which differentiates the winner from loser is winners take action. They simply get up, go, and do what has to be done. They are action oriented. If someone want to get a six-pack abs, he won't get just by reading a book on how to get six-pack. He need to spend hours and hours of time exercising in the gym. Friends, in life, we desire to achieve so many things. We want to start a book. We want to join in a course. We want to start a business. All these things can be done only when you get into action. Here is a small story. A person goes to the church and prays God. God, I need a break. Bless me to win the state lottery. I am counting on you. By saying this, he leaves the church. After a week's time, he comes back. Again prays after having not win the lottery. He prays, God, please bless me. I am counting on you. Now you see, I am very good to my wife. I gave up smoking. I gave up alcohol. Please bless me to win the state lottery. By saying this, he leaves. After a week's time, he comes back. Having not won the lottery, again he prays God. God, I need a break. Please bless me. You see, I've been doing all that positive self-talk, positive affirmations. I have been visualizing the money. Please bless me to win the state lottery. By this, the skies opened up. A bright light flown into the church and God speaks. Son, now I need a break. I want to bless you. But did you buy the lottery ticket? The question is, he didn't buy the lottery ticket. Friends, in life, whatever great things you want to achieve, you can achieve only by getting into action. Just get up, go and do what has to be done without depending on anybody, not even on God. Even God helps those people who primarily helps themselves. On March 24, 1975, Chuck Wepner, a relatively unknown boxer, went on to fight for 15 rounds with world heavyweight boxing champion Muhammad Ali. In ninth round, Wepner could reach Ali's chin, knocking him onto the ground, shocking both Ali and his fans. Wepner was few seconds away from winning the championships. However, Ali completed 15 rounds and won the championship and retained the title. 1,000 miles away, a struggling young actor named Sylvester Stallone watched this fight. Stallone contemplated the idea of screenplay about an underdog boxer fighting with the world champion. However, he could not start writing the script for the reasons unknown. The moment he watched this fight, he got into action and started writing. Within 3 days, Stallone could complete the script writing of the movie Rocky. We know Rocky was a global blockbuster, went on to win 3 Oscars. Friends, when we get into action, we know few things and we learn few things. We make mistakes and we make corrections. Out of this experience, whatever we decide, we'll achieve. Friends, you cannot cross a river by standing and staring at water. You need to jump into water. Friends, this time, when you decide to do something, when you decide to achieve something, don't wait, don't think much, just get into it, start doing, you will achieve what you desire. Thank you. Ram Prasad Rishi signing off.